Kina le modisa
Kgotsong batheletsi bo gae le baburi wa tla go lena mo ke Madisha Joseph MJ Machidi Madisha wa tswang ka mo Zebediela Marisharitoro e le bogileng ba le theleditseng e mmino wa Sione podcast ke na le bobutsi ba ka ba babedi mo ba ba botse e leng go bona ba tla tsebisha mo ke thome ka o a ka le mogausi le nna mo a tsebisho re ke ena ma
ke a dumedisha batho ka moka yo a bolelang mo ke Thabang Makura o mo botse
ya monna reshu
Okay, kgotsong mo mahaeng o a bolelang mo ke Tinyiko wa ga Bevula. Ya, ke Tinyiko.
right ba le iputshang gore ke bo mang jwalo ba abo bane la ba bane ka ge ke tlhalositse gore ke Sione ke mmino wa Sione podcast re tlo bolla ka mmino wa rena o re o ratang re tlo bolla ka tse di botse le tse di sa re thabishing hoping gore re a lokisha we are hoping gore re ka se kgopiše motho but problem ka nnete ke gore le yona ene bana ba pay for nnete so re tlo hopa gore re seke ra gopišana but re kwaneng re boleleng ka tse le goreng re hopefully re theletša mmino wa rena o re ya o thabela re thomile ka sefela se se botsebotse mo re thomile ka sefela ka ge ba bantši ba rena re tloetse gore tše dintši ya rena ge re thoma ka sefela after re beya thapelo mara re thomile ka sefela mo re thomile ka buti wa rena mo tumelo ka latest album ya gage ya re leboga bophelo go pele ko re tlo bolela le yena tšatšing la lekgono re tlo mo founela o tlo re tlhalosetša ka album ya gage mara re tlo bolela ka everything Sione gospel empa ke re nyaka gore re segale before re tsena deep re mo founele re tlo mo founela kua e segale mara re nyaka re fe background gore re nyaka go bolela kang ka show ye I think gore most ya rena ba theleditseng ba bogileng ya tseba gore mmino wa rena o re pela re complaina man o ka re a re sa o tšea serious ba bantši ba rena go bone post dingwe tlhate bala ba re ba ba lenang kabele gore o le seng o sa phelang kabele re kšhere tamati no ba bolela ka taba ya gore level ela ya bona ela nkabe le sa kgone go i-maintain
o le seng Salasha a mountain of
ke nyaka re thome mone ke nyaka re thome ka wena monna Thabane from your early age go thoma go gopola go theletša music o bo theletša man
na o ya ko morago kwa ke nagana botseng ka re ka gopola a se ke thomi ka o leseng o tshwana le ba bantši ba ba thomileng ka o leseng ke thomile ka dipina tšela tša Sione tšela tša Sione tše di rockediwa straight ko Sione
ba feletše ka moka e seng tša go tena pele go tsena tena ba tsena ka moka ga bona ya ba feletše mon ene bela guguele e be se ya studio ene e be le yona straight ya guguele ne
ya ka nako ya bo ke a bona bontšheng ka re lesea la ka batla e gopola but ke thomile ka nako e la mokoko wa lla
Yeah.
re tšhobono yo opela mara mantši ko ona wa bona so ke gopola kudu ebile pine ke rata kudu ko morago ke sa le ngwana ke sa kwešiše selo though ka mmino wa Sione but ke nana re ke sa le ngwana mane ke sa le ngwana ke sa se ka joina le Sunday school ya o ne le košaela e reng e be reng kana košelana e re ka ene o bolaile ngwana abo a kere košela ka mokgwebeng kgwatha ka gona ko re indirile gore to extend ya gore like ke rate mmino wa Sione.
O bo kgotha ke di-lyrics bo kgotha ke mokgwa pina leng ka gona
ka nako e la ke re ke sa le ngwana ke sa tsebe gore o ka ba le gore o ne le tune e botse kapa e wrong o reng kapa mantswe o reng mara ke nana gore ka nako e la ka gore ke sa le ngwana dio tse dintse ke thuta se segolo se connecta le nna e bo le the message so ke nana ko morao yana kwa so dikoshe tse dintsi kwa nkare ke a di gopola ko morao kwa e ke lebeletse kudu message o bo tswela mo tsona mara
because ka motlhong o bo sa empty nyana so message o nyaka what can feel ka motlhong nyana yes
good so ke nana gore e re ka re lebella ko gole ko morao kwa le kwa o bolela nete re tsheletsa message e ke tsheletsa message then ena go ga re ya ke
gola kana di dlala ke mang
go setse ke sa go botsang ka tsona di thomile ko morao
ke no wa tsa ke ra jwang ke mang o di kwa ka mang
okay o tla mpushetsa morao ko na magale ko Phalabora kwa ka Sunday ke sa nyako ya kerekeng ba nkgapeletše
o nyako go dlala
ke nyaka go dlala bolo
plus ka bothumo la ke mo go fishang gona go
dlala bolo and ke bua monano o mogolo o tla ba go kabatheile ka gore re sena dikhoko wa bona mara no le gola vele so ka opola ebile ba re tlhape then o le nako ya go tlhapa da ba tseba gore nka tlhapa pele so tseo jumpa drata e chabile
so tle mafelo why o bosa chabu bosa ngo tlhapa
ba monitor so ke bomma ba rata dikosha tša sedumedi and ku di tsona tša Sione tše di recorda ke suppose ke ena Chico Thala ne
and kan nako ewe English you didn't know anything different what's bona fela ke music we were exposed to
kanet too much azanga ka ba exposed to any
kind of genre
any kind of music or ne but the other one no I think I'm lying because e bona le Brayaka ne o wa mathomo ka gae mthakola inharata reggae music too much
luana o bo fila mar
yes too much and wa opola like ke re bolela ka reggae music le yona it's about the message than anything
it goes deep
so I guess go bolela nete just to tshwara kwa le kwane e ke lebeletse now e ke reflect or kwa bonyaneng e theletsa too much the message but now maybe ka re gotse and re gona lo kgetha or nka theletsa se nka se theletsa then re thoma go criticize
what's tabe ya message ne e tshware because e tlo ba topic ya rena e golo go pele re ke go monna Bevel o thoma kae go kwa music wa ba Sione
okay nna boti ke godisitse ke mogekolo mongwe Mama Seka a very good singer motho mongwe wa ka opela mo she's old now but le no voice wa gore motho o ne ile pharara and ka ge bota bolela gore yena o ile exposed to music ka di project tša Chico Thala my grandmother le and I have contributed to those project. There's two songs
contribution like real contribution
so no I've been sa choir ka kwa hae a tswang so o recordile 2 songs as a leader choir ka kwa ke tswang just that aksa gopola
ke film na wa kra bol tse di ntso
aksa gopola ke album e
tsona tsa minwas ke sure ke kwa ne ke bina
one of them has to be Nabusokoti ikutana azikota ku awela never on ikutana. Yeah, so
Two message.
Yeah, so that was my grandmother. So my grandmother was working in a furniture shop. Ha tsoa fro nana le radio ngwe ya Panasonic. That radio ne ili very loud, and le he dikolo di tswaletse didn't care. Would wake up because the radio tlo wa idlala. So that's when I got to be exposed to this gospel music through her. We were listening to Barospa Morena, Sisioni, like the Chigotola project. Yeah, that's how I got to be exposed to it.
And then at what point do you think or mino o bohlokwa o koko ne and o khona, like I think or probably there was a point in our lives especially about go sona go opela o nagana as long as o can challenge you ke yona o nagana or ai ke yona. Let me tell you, I will tell you a story. There was a time ke said yes ke go Sunday school ne, and then ra opela da, so conductor na e buja mtho a rubirishang teacher na mtho a rubirishang anthe go jaiva alo mtho la ga bona o ra efe a bona ene yo mona mtho a bozora go jaiva a ka intsha more
Well.
hello tsma na go I don't know the difference between goncha o bona ke le tswa disking le nopela ke one chango ja sa go sha ke le ruile na ka intsha o ga intsho itshile. So but then how do you at what point do you understand or okay Kuku can sing, like whole munyani you realize or wow bell, but at what point do you realize or Kuku can sing?
I think from the very, very early age. Now I believe for if you sing, even if people are talking or even if people are busy with something, as soon as you sing, if you're a good singer, people should stop whatever that they're doing.
Yes.
So even though I was still young, but when my grandmother sings, yay, lego kerekeng mo re tsenang ko teng o rata sefila 111 ke na le modisa she will tell you ra
sona se re botse ka sona
exactly she will tell you ra ena monna ka difila ke bohale mara sefila number 111. So ha se hopela o gona o kwa mano hore okay even if o tsalo monyane mara there's something on which so I could tell ke sa lo monyane ra no mara this woman can sing. Yeah.
And then but then Makura, now let us talk about now, which is our main topic of this podcast. Arabulenka message ne okay, maybe let me also start by telling how I got exposed to music ne, which is similar to what you guys have. Burwaga with itatela kusha ne. So he used to have CDs, cassettes as well. Mjeremane ke ni ulise mtsibile kai ne aphela abaleja. That is all music I knew. So from there I realized okay, I thought this is the only music that exists. I get it. That's Elena wa bolonke na wa pela jola. I thought okay, this is the only music that exists, and most of verses ka Bible ka music.
Okay.
Especially ka ulise. Some of the things that I still know that I've probably not heard somewhere else. Ne? So music,
I think most of us can attest to that.
Yes. Music made me understand what God is, made me understand what the Bible says. Ne? Then let's come now. What in our lifetime Sion Gospel is missing or is different from what we used to have? What will you say is missing?
Oh, okay. Missing. I I think nka re ke try ya go bapetša mmino wa Sione wa peleng wa today. Hey, o ne le phapano e serious.
In terms of
I think in terms of go tlhama dipina and le kore ke dio tše mmala tše nka di balang mara ke nyaka o no re ke try yo ya botse ne ke try yo toucha tše nka di gopolang but ke lebeletše minong wa Sione o bolela net o la wa peleng o bo isha kudu the message as I've said peleng ne so really too much ka message spreading out the message and as much as like bo tlo gona o kwa like maybe ba buile le di recording studio tše di sharp maybe tša o tsana le tša bo Chikotala le bo Cool Spot bo le seng right but ntwe kgolo ko ba opedi bana kwela a so re ne ba ina le di voice ne o tswana le bo brau ke mankana ke mang monno wa binitsha George Kochner a re kidileng dikosha tše dintši ke mang ke Brawili right ba mmitsa ke Brawili yeah so wa gona o kwa re le batho ba mkhutola ke batho ba ba understanding music but it can happen or the voice is not there sure so
mara sorry mara ge voice is gona o understand the music o gona you know when to use your not there voice o gona your voice e seng gona ke shumisha kae jwa ge o understand the music
no o bolela net ka hore a quick example that I can give ke Mujeraman Mujeraman na no tseba hore like I touch here na di tseba di ke lord di G spot mara na di tseba
G for gospel
yeah G for gospel na di tseba mthakola
yeah
so mogolo ya go isha go a re webo so wa bona so mara o ka re o nyaka o di bapetša ke nana gore go ngwe nka no ba ke le phošo jwang mara o ka re ba itšheka kudu ne mmino wa gale ba isha too much o nyaka o tlhalosa o fa the message wa go no bea le compared to wa gale re ne le di recording studio tše di mnat le di producer tše mnat right but problem now e ka ba le gore ba bone cause sorry le tlantswarele ke ya pele le morao ne cause ola wa pele right le mo the voice kapa eng e di sa edi ya kwa le kwa but message o le ntho e connectanang le batho again be gona o di tšhelete e bo ine le di sales and in ka bolela ka e wine maybe re ka tla ra checka gore maybe bole batho ba ba kae
go tsara gona mo mara ke nyaka bevula a tsene ne do you think gore the reason there's something called a niche ne meaning the market is small ne do you think gore the advantage ya bona ko gore e be se ba bantši and again because to what I was saying we didn't know better be re sa tsebe bo Benjamin Dubi be re sa tsebe bo Joyous Celebration be re sa tsebe bo Kerrick Franklin ne so our gospel was that literally our gospel was that so ge o le seng anche album you were going to get it as what's na Greg ya you were going to get that album
you are easily to relate because o le tsko kerekeng e uwe
but also I think because bersa tsibi ba bangwe so the haters here ne the haters do you think it is what made them successful at that time and do you think if maybe they were coming now ne ngabe le gore let's say they were not there now and ba release music now do you think they will sell the same way by at that time
okay I think one of the main reason we are in a new era now.
Yes.
We are in a digital era.
Yes.
Back then, ne go tsamaya cassette.
Yes.
But then the difference between now and then, Mole, but what's honorable Oli saying, I understand Oli saying will always be our frame of reference. But what's honorable Oli saying, Meraga Haine Lutz and a studio. Abereka, and then but okay for marketing. Kuna batho ba pushing marketing for distribution. Kuna batho ba pushing distribution. So Papa Noya now and then, we are not professionalizing what we're doing. We are not professionalizing what we are doing. If we were to professionalize what we're doing, okay, kia studio, did I prepare?
Sure.
Okay, what is it that I want to do? Okay, after I get recorded, how am I going to distribute my music? So, Papano, yeah, now. Then I can question how you the sales. So now, unfortunately,
are you saying there is no motivation to be professional?
No, foundation.
Yeah.
Investment, like how you start
as an artist yourself.
Sure, cause come kore ole seng bo sna ntwa dirang bo le
besides
right na investor to project tsa ga kaofela.
Mara, right? I think if music will give you as an artist what it gave Ole Seng, you will focus on that. Do you think if
you are missing
no what I'm saying, the amount obviously Charlton no is the same. If he was getting 100 rand, now the value might not be the same. But what I'm saying, how it sustained him at that time, if it was sustaining an artist the same way now, would you not focus on that alone now? Or say, for example, I don't think Benjamin Dube wakes up and goes to work. That is his work.
Sure.
Wasn't
because
but if he was selling the way gospel student gospel artist is selling, I don't think he will do that alone. He will do something else. So he is professionalizing it because imudrela imchechelde ka when is neng apostile dikolo tse dintsi ka garage a se 9 to 5 ibile country kamerwa ka. So he's getting motivation from that. That's why he's professionalizing it. Why would a Sion artist professionalize it where El Zabona is bringing him about 500 a month? Do you think the lack of motivation comes from the lack of money?
Okay, so that's why I can now or maybe as because come high billion ka ona na be our like okay investor too much go projecting it. As much as like let's say you say like or like kitlano ba mopedi and was berek I think go bolela nnete ka mino a Sion o tla ba o gamble mo.
Because I want to tell it.
Yeah, I know this.
Yes.
Because data. Oh, one. The nature ya mino a Sion kapa the last 10 years. I can know rune le motho re ka reng ya re ka ba shupa ba ba dira re ya mo di wa chelete o tsana le Ole Seng cause Ole Seng na betha di platinum double platinum.
Yes.
So ke na re ka mo khona e bolela gore a bolela ka o invest mo projecting gore o ska ba le megaba re ya gore like yo bereka le bomang if o serious gore ke nyaka gore ke ntshe album album ke project into you e ska ba gore like album o dira album ke bokae 4,000 ke ne le 4,000 then artsene ba
fetu o mo kae ra bona fanda
wa bona and no le mfane ngwe ba re ke bebe betha soprano then o ibitsa wa chemistry wa bona o ke mhlakanelo so as much as like o ka dira mehlakanelo but o tshwantse I think le o tshwantse o respect le batho ba o tla o bereka le bona if ba nyaka o patediwa and o tseba ba ne le quality ba patele jo yeah cause o ka se ba patele kapa wa nyaka gore like ke tla nka se bitse bevo ka paruni then ke tla lata Madisha, soprano ya Madisha e ngopotsa Kosheng.
E tla nozama
O tlo re kawata ka gore rena ke rena, and o tlo kry-a gore gape le tsa go reka di-CD ka gore
supporting bafetu supporting a re sa rekela meal
a wa tshwanela e dire mmino a o tshwantse o be ona o ngapeletsang gore like I have to have that CD.
Okay, all right. Before ya khulene artist there to like ena today re tshang rena Tumelo ne wo re mo fonela unche album latest ne re laba ga bophelo. I personally those who follow me on social media know I love this album ne. There's two things I love about Tumelo. Number one, he is unique ne. There is too much not Kosha SSO Kosha ne. They sound similar. Tumelo, you can just know Tumelo ne. From when he started as a YouTube fella until Atoma we commercialize, if I may call it. You know Tumelo ne. This latest album, something that I noticed, I don't know if maybe it was me or what, I noticed how he structured his songs, because I like them exactly the way they are, from number 1 to number 5 and number 6 as well. Like number 1 wants you to listen to number 2, number 2 wants you to number 3. I man, so you go by the flow, ne? Which is something I feel like it is lacking. Like I only planning, ne? And something that I like about Nugore, his 2 albums, they are 6 years apart.
Oh, woman.
6 years apart. The other one was in 2017, his first album. The other ones was with Howard. But then his latest project, you can hear or he invested time here. Ne? But before discuss,
nkaro ka fa 2 minutes or Bev a ilokishe ka mkhola ka kry-a le gore ne ke mo kwisitse somehow,
yes,
but ke nyaka gore like a e tlhalose botse o kgone go kwisitsa gore he re bolela ka quality e re bolela ka yona ya o investa ko the project.
Yes.
Mara what I can say, re bolela ka agree re kwana re berekisa moholo le saying as our frame of reference. Mara still re sa lebale gore we are in a different era now. So okay, one other thing that distinguish moholo o le saying gore e meelang godimo, Samathomo o le saying was an artist. There are a lot of people who are pitching the artist. You're only an artist if you're artistic.
Yes.
Basically.
If there's art.
If there's art.
Yes.
Sure. Music is art.
Without art.
You're supposed to be artistic. And then again, Moholo Lesing was a gospel singer. If you're a gospel singer or a preacher, you're supposed to be anointed. Moholo Oliseng was anointed. He had the anointing. Exactly. So every time he stand behind the mic, there's something that is pushing him.
He's sending a message.
Yeah. And okay, this Brahman, awan, horis, urumeti, wangushi. That's why ke kwele mzaka mbole ha amoreta are ke mo profeta wangutshishe he was prophesying. That's why prophecy re ga define ga ditsela tsa go fapana bangwe prophecy ba define ka batho ba gona go hlatolola tse di tlotlang, bangwe prophecy ba define ka go fa batho molaetsa o leng gore Christ ona le ona mo go rona. So moholo
ke tuka mo bolela ka o lese
re ka bolela ka moholo o leseng re letsatsi le ka ba la tlhaba. So nna ke gopela bella di artists tsa borena ke gopela gore please tswetswe le ba kweleng mohlokonyana ska le molare hey o leseng na
but then I no I understand you, but then it is difficult. I hear you and I hear your point. It's unfair. I know it is unfair, ne? But then we I know my worth. We know our worth. We know what good music can sound like. We know what it is impossible actually. I don't want to say difficult. Honestly, in this day, and just like saying what the play that is the same as Messi. Something else up for debate. But then then to say there could be artists that are saying, I don't think we will see it in our lifetime ever again. Ne? So yes, you are right. But what's a couple of them? Ne? Re tlo bua mo tabeng ene gopela re bole monno ka re khale re memišitšene re founele monna o a tlhalosetse ka album ya gagwe gore o batsene ke because le ena mo ke kwele
ke tumelo mošae
ke kwele gore ya mogolo alright monate man ke na le Bev mo ke na le Makura mo o live mo podcasting ya rena morena you are the first artist to be featured ne and you are the first artist to be called live on our podcast and I'm very honored man. I admire your music so much man. Yeah morena so ntwe re nyakang re bolla ka album ya gago ne re pele ke dume ke banna ba ba gore me re pele more
moholo okay ke Makura mona
man ke khotso man
Thaka ya ke bev ke na le wena mo
moren re thumile show ka sefela sa gago mona 101 track 1 ne first year go butse gore how long did it take you morena go prepare a project ya gago ya re leba ga bophelo
ba for batho ba ntse man ba ile mo gore last year man sa ga launcha a kitse bo ba go polana sa launcha CD but then by the time asanga ka issue online man release launch and then ya no fela wana so
ke go pole ke ya go ba le ya re go potsereng ena ya go bolla ka number 1 man gore ya kopano ne ya kopano e fitlile
asio ke yona
a ke
asio
kopana sanga ga launch
e bolla ke ena le go se dife
ke maloba ko ba re keng kana o ne le holengwe ko
Doxa
okay all right
yeah so ne ke launcha di go se di release di maloba but then like there are a few ga mo in gore ke di replace it and then ga eta jempsa so I think the project manager I think if not a year maybe 6-7 months because in terms of baking, in terms of what the advice, studio. Yeah, it's more perfect, man.
Yes, which you did.
6-7-8 months.
Yes, because I don't know which how long because ya kwa gala gore e go teri nakonyana ne ya kwa gala gore we get it because be re bolla ka something more bolla gore but wa sna le o le sing which it will be impossible to compare other artists with na gore you would hear gore motho ga tsene mo studio they understood what they were doing ba tsena mo studio ne I was also making example gore go tsa go they sound intentional from track 1 ne track 1 makes you want to listen to track 2 wants to so like I don't go feel chipilo or I'm skippy the way you structure like on was it intentional or it was by God's grace or did you let the way you doing how on
that is why gire begona le body advice aga
yes
like audio job so man so ndiro be ba tholo like fela man o hlola man man kiri tsona mara go ba ke share jana so structuring sequencing ne shema ke go bolela magane ke tshiša ke ba tsikere ba ke go diala so majidane ke spana lo diala so ka tlang ba hlahle gore man di fila di thoma pele
why thoma fast album why it thoma itegile yeah so o berekile le bo mamola ntwe because nna ge ke fetsa ke thoma go o tseba ne ya go bola first time ke thoma go tseba I always played go sa go ka mokolo re ya ga ke na le broro and then bro le se ke bo mamba ke re mo ke motho mo teng mo broro So no, everything mo ke motho o modimo. So ko mathomong o berekile mang?
At first ne ke bereka ke le one.
Yeah.
Sala bona wa tshaba o bereka le batho because o shetse no tshoga gore man ba tla tšhentšha ba re di se o dirang.
Yes.
Wa ke no thoma ntse ke bereka ke le one. Bo di alto bo di o tlo ikwa man le soprano ya gale man wa ikwa ga peletsa man.
Ke first part ga soprano.
Ga peletsa.
Tume.
No di please wa di bona di jeso.
Tume.
Ke di jelo like ke re di modified.
Yes.
Man wa tseba gore ke bolela kana ke re di modified.
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
So no one.
Yeah.
What's talking? Let me get out of the comfort zone.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this time, soprano ki team vargina kedi.
What's source?
Betal one. Yes. And then alto, kimajita mga maitre, omobaraki pehudi, omobaraki karabo. Magwenya le mana ke sa le bale ke tla dia phosho le team ba re ke malaya bona.
Okay.
And then tena ke hawati ke team ba re ke tebogo then ke malaya Jane base tena ke team ba re ke atlaritsi o betha tena o betha le base straight.
Yeah.
And
then sorry before Makura atsenane, you know o mention it tabe mola morao gore o bosanya ke gore batho ba change structure sa gago ne, and then something that ke kwa mo album yake I wouldn't have picked up or there are different people because I think it is because they know your structure ne, they know gore khoya ga go keng ne. So yes, they know gore outla ka soprano is so because tenor le alto ya tumelo di so. So do you think or it helped you or layer foundation ya ga go kwa mathomong gore this is tumelo, and then everyone that comes does not come ka spice comes ka tone le tune ya tumelo, and luena it also helps you pick gore ke mang yo le gore just like ka football if a team it's about structure they know who to pick ne. Do you think luena e go thushitse gore o tsebe gore ke mang aka sutang style sa gago?
Yeah, ke re thushitse, but then another thing in thushitse gore half ya dikoshitse le nda ne shitse ina le structure.
Yes.
So never double on top of
yes. Foundation e be le gona.
Foundation is still gona, and then they were on top of. Can I get on it to see in terms of basa official system ba opela ka set up yung or like I kira nyalelane.
Yes. So they were following your lead.
Yes. They never follow up on this relationship ke be like so.
Yes. Okay. Makura ona le sengwe o nyaka go tshela mo Makura o nyaka go yelela.
Mona Tumelo. Ke re ngano sa ba botse gore DJ mona o thomile ditsheko o mixa machine mo.
Man. No, what's up? Munno senjere de rebelera because bona le taba tsa ba o DJ Mrena.
How?
Yeah, DJ. Gospel music.
Le na le motsiba ka tja di gospel. Mona
ke
bana montako
took on the ones and twos.
Le go le side le lengwe mara.
Yeah.
No, Tumel, o tlo go bela mo kana go rentse ya. Re sentse re tsena mo side because le na be ke sa itsebe tabe Mrena gore o bo fela o di mixa Mrena.
Ska di tsopola mona o di ncheka mo ka mo.
No, akinya mo ga vision aga akinya gore ba tsebang the side of gospel.
Yeah. Right.
Ke selfish man, go selfish ni ana ma.
Ya go kwa.
Ba tseba go side la gospel ba tsebe gore ona side le lengwe man.
Ska ba selfish re nyaka o buka ka bolo ka mo.
O thome mosegare le boshego o tsene. Yeah, Mren, re leboga Mren, you really did well, ne? Really did well ka album yeki. You really did your all, man. You know, it's only few albums this days you can listen to them and then listen to them again, ne? So Yagaru is up there, man. I'm not I go buy sfatleo on the level agisbun mar. I go buy sfatleo. You have seen my post more and I was saying, oh, this is it, man. This is it. You know, some the way music garna who degrade, ne? Sometimes what tell you, let me hear what this one has. Then if that one, you know, if you can capture mutu, come and tell to who dejected, but we can capture wa musha, then you did something really good, which is something that you really did for me personally. I love your album, and I've loved your music from the first go, even before when you released album, when you were still only posting on YouTube without releasing albums like this guy. And then when you started as well, Kena Ali One, you're like, okay, then he is really talented. Mara, kiske ka fama ko gumren. Mara. Tata utama or we picture Dukes the Beast. Bevu mo una usesunganya ko plela mren.
Le tomelo re tsebana personally.
Yes.
But ore ke thome ka hore a ke bone taba tsa makoko. That's one other thing good about him. Ke motho leng o rana makoko.
A ke mo kola go lenyana mo.
Mo kola go.
Ano belo wa nkwa boy. So ke re bakeng sa makoko. Ke gopola mo bailela monno wa gesho. A ke bone ka ba motho wa makoko. But o boletse ka point e nngwe gore album ya mathomo na ale one. Wa bona. And le nna ke ntshelo ne ke le concern ka yona gore era gore poya rena itlono bereka ale one na go ya ka pele. Wa gopola boy le ka Sunday re bolela ka yona yo.
Yes.
So ke te file nako ka imamela his album, and I can tell gore le berekile banna ba can tell gore album e practice it. Ntengwe le ngore like e bola music wa rena today re no fonelana Bev mo kae boy mo kae a re tlhakane ko studio wa bona ra no opela,
And then okay ga aso gona o fonela the next one.
o a se gona re fonela the next one mona e yang kolota ya re ke tsoko yona. So mara na as a musician I can tell or no man album ye e berekilwe.
Yes.
It has been prepared. Wa bona o tshwana le yona ya tumelo. So na boy what e wa really to repela ke go gopela or boy go gopela o ska change lane.
Amen.
Tumelo mabalana e be tumelo mabalana. Wa bona gona le batho ba bangwe e leng gore ba gona o suggest boy wa o sa diriso na wa tseba boy e ke na le wena ignore boy go gopela be tumelo mabalana.
Original.
Please aska change aska change. So wa tseba otherwise my guy, now to be honest, you wang inspire you one of the people ba ileng gore wa qualify gore le ga re kopana le wena o gana le o re dumedisha.
Don't do that, Tumel. Don't.
But then, yet you are so very humble. Angushi. Gona le batho like bonontsha ke a ntsha album ya ka tswa in 2 days ya tswa wa se diregele silo mara album ya e tswa malobanyana social media shignilo re bana mabana no ntsha.
And then that is the thing. That is the thing. You know, they say it is quality over quantity. Ne?
Yeah.
Hence, I said the difference in the albums. Yes, he's saying there was album in between, ne? But you every weekend or so that's why music gonna also last on us, because you don't give me time. Let me get accustomed to this music. So mara tux hopefully soon re tlo ba le wena mo re meka mona or tlhalosetse gore go betha piano mo imren or bontsho go betha piano mo maybe or mixage mo. Yeah, Martux, man, keep it up, man. You know something, baby, I will let you go. Take advice, ne? But at the end of the day, it is your decision.
Yeah.
Ne? And your decision must be based on your foundation. Ne?
And
Discover
originality.
yes, because now I can think this is something so ekabereka for wena, but it might not. You know yourself better.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
And you know what are your goals. There are so many things that we will need to talk about when we meet. Number one, I don't see Tumelo a promote music. He mentioning what I don't think he even had WhatsApp. I think only since about 20 minutes ago he didn't have WhatsApp. He doesn't promote much on Facebook. He doesn't have TikTok.
Yeah.
But then his gospel spread itself because gospel, that is what it's supposed to do, to spread itself.
Yeah.
Ne? Something that we will talk about tomorrow. But man, thanks for your time. Ne? I don't know if there's anything that you like to say in closing, Makura.
Sure, Tooms. I think now what I can say is Jola pele mfetho re fa quality music cause ke ntwe re shotang kudu mo minong wa sione ksanya ko bolela ka tshedintshi mara re banna ba tshwana le lena ke ba re khantshang ka bona just that I did the music video to me o dladiwa dipina tse di wrong tao present tao bea face ya mino wa sione and ke tse di wrong and ke rena defense ke rena re consumer music wa and re bona mashwamshwam ko TV hey some of us rena the tswara offside so moneshu nka o thabela gore like o be mo le rena gore ke ne le question tse dintšintšintšintšintši di o nyaka ke re o le mo ntse gausi le rena
mara ke tša mmino
ke tša mmino cause ebile ke rata ntho e Madisha e boletseng ya gore like a o promote music wa gago and it says a lot about the quality of music that you produce wa cause I need to ke rena Tumza mthako o dlaile dio tse dingwe ka mo ke re metlhagase ya sofit batho bo la gagampe ba mpona mo no matter otherwise mfethu no keep it up buff
Thank you.
Joe, thanks for your time, man. Thanks, we really appreciate, man. When the YouTube channel if it go 1 million subscribers, what about Obabojo or Gwena, the first artist to be featured?
Yeah.
Rikitimshala le McG ka mkhona. Hey man.
Right, Dukes, what's up, mre? Thanks, man.
Sure.
All right.
Ke gena le no
Good man. All right. It depends.
Why tamanga re ke di cricket nga di le ya sona. Phela lepo mata tsanje re pa or maybe go chat last year.
Play hands. What is about to happen? Yeah, so that was Tumelo. And now we would like to cut our first part of this episode. You can continue for second part. We will upload the second part as well, and we would like to leave you with his track number 2 on his album. But my okay, maybe let me first ask guys, what is your favorite Mo album nyela?
Kina le Modisa.
Ne?
Nah, it's not one, Joe.
Yeah, 2.
It's not two.
Two. We or soprano.
No, you mean track 2?
Track 2, yeah.
Oh,
you mean or it's not only one song?
No. Track 2.
No. Give me one song. Fam.
One song.
Yeah. That's. I know it is difficult to get one.
Yeah.
Then, yeah.
Okay, it has to be Kiritwarel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
5. I was up to get.
Number 5.
And we're going to be boy.
What's on it? Owelela net, ne?
Yes.
I think maybe more of like jamming, right? But obolela net.
Yeah.
Track 1 in a matala or like you just wanna find yourself in a corner like uduchi u reflect ka bophelo nje.
O tsebe gore o na le modisa.
Mara re tshwarele ne. E tlang go potsa mo ke sa sanga ka ba go.
Boy, we can by the way, they record again 1 September.
Oh,
those of you who know that we can think of it N1 stage, and give N1 stage. We can, and these are the kind of songs.
yes. O ta re go potsa. Ana mara ke tswa rena la choose taba re segale re fitile ka la bona for sure. Karata ntengwe ya thuya batho. O kra re le for.
Banna fela ke.
Obvious.
Pati.
Sinya tati lele tati ya usinyeta morena ahoti lele lele mama ahoti mama tilele lele ahoti mama ahoti mama ahoti mama ahoti mama ahoti mama la
so ke re tswa re ka patwane gomme part 2 ya fitla go jwalo. I'm sure by the time o fetsa go boga patwane part 2 tla be le available. So re tswa ka gona so re tswa ka mona tumelo album re tlo bya link ya in the description for this album. Those who don't have it you gonna on all digital platforms, your YouTube, your Spotify, your Google Play, your iTunes. Something you know ring e ju dia gore the artist jarna do go re tlo kopela ka jwana gore ka ga beba ba bolla ar tlo gore matan sende ube o gopele artist o gopele yena street dama mampele o gopele monga go show gore mata nsendele or mata nsendele and if it's aba ke re selo ba e kere go ma aba ke re selo ba e kere go ma. So the link in the description in re tlo mo fase, follow them, go and buy. And something as YouTube is not as profitable as it can be because people can download music from YouTube, make it an MP3 and send it to other people as well. But Reina Bafetu le Zion Kids are
Zion Kids
are supporting artist Arena. Go to iTunes, guys. You know, if you just buy simple, they will get something for them to produce again bunch of quality music. Otherwise, but to be your boy omo guy then because also 500 broto fail. So let us support. What do you like to say, guys, in closing for the part 1?
You can start.
Yeah, a ke tsebe ka o tlwala
yeah
ke kolo mentiona Zion Kid o no fita okay basically re bolela ka Zion Kid re bolela ka ba ausi wa rona ne
yes agree it is agree bo maruna ke ba
yeah
modern term for baba yeah
but something ka bolelang ka batho bona ba leng le reng ke Zion Kid most of our brothers so thoma ka yena o a ba reke di CD language
ke reka quality
okay
when I'm not sending
ke sendele
so but one thing
nkolo ya ka ile CD
mara this is just body USB get
ya 150
no re tla sara ka pa Twitter ere muna fele re sara ka pa Twitter ere muna fele tabe
okay no ka o le tlishitse taba ya Zion Kid na ke bolela di artists tse dingwe obana soon as your album coming soon those are the people ba tlo ba o text re mfethu ke boka album hiyo o motho re ke 150 with hesitation yana I don't know it's fine cliche album batho ba support as soon as your show ning o tsene ko holong ke ditoko fela la nkwishisha di boy
I thought of it different but
I
like it because now I thought of it different
yeah
I looked at it
no or okay le guy level in a different way
no but I like what was it because
yeah
I didn't have that perspective remember the saying says people who know half the story
oh yeah
have the other half but I like the other half that we are telling
yeah those people are support or show they'll buy your tickets they will support so yeah na kama ntsunya no manyane no
Zion Kid maybe sometime we'll have Zion Kid that support then they will also tell us who did they support and why and to what extent but anyway let us okay boy feja iskata ka pala go tshela makhura
no remember nna ke bolela bjale ka a fan right who consumes a lot of Sione music and I don't play anything else so that's why I'm very choosy and mashomshama kyanyaki and ntwe ke o bolela net e tshwantsheng ke bolele ne gore nna o ka bona ke rata motho kapa ke supporta motho ke ka baka la gore ke rata whatever you yetseng ko studio e tle e kwa le ka live so tsetsa gore ke go le nna thabang ke ne le tšhelete ke re le 350 somewhere then ba re o recorda one song ke 350 then ka gona o ya then voice ai o tlhama o ke no lata straight ko shela ke tseba gore e rata masione a mantši because ke nyaka ono e bolela because sometimes o bolela ne dutse nkare o ka nna gore like batho ke di opportunist because ba kitimela ko shetela tsa kolbaleng then ba tlono di tšea ba di recorder then wa bona taba ya mkhuto bolela ko so re tlhomphe rena
ga o re tsira ene ka mo o nya ka reka ka 100
ke bona ba re kitimisha ba re reka
not wena re bola ka artist
no matter what ba rena gona e bile nka fa example ka yena gore iska ba ya touch someone else but ke no nyaka o bolela on my side and kushar le mo lwena artist a untshi album ona na or like everyone o tlo irata o bolela
you should not expect
motho mongwe le mongwe le target market ya gagwe and to bolela net na I go for quality every time and it's not about obvious if nga se reke album ya gae or eng sorry o tla palla go dira
challenges aswena the only custom
no but na as a Musioni I mean as not Musioni man as a fan e ratang mmino wa sesione like o bolela net ka re ke tlhalositse gore like mmino wa sesione ke tswa gole lona ke rata quality than anything so whether ke a new artist e tlang o tshwana le like I can give an example ka Clifford Wu mfano Marumo mfano sa tswa tsena like now but there's too much quality there I can always support ke
right re tswa ka track number 2 haufi le morena featuring Thabo. Arike. Cheers everyone. See you go part 2. Ebe khotso.